Your client has arrived. Take one last look at your supplies and the room. Make sure your equipment is placed for ease of use and client safety. Okay, let's get going and prepare your client for treatment. Greet your client in a professional but friendly way, shaking their hand and making eye contact while introducing yourself. Review the client intake forms and conduct a client consultation, asking about any concerns and expectations for today's service. Discuss a treatment plan. Remember to ask your client if they have any contraindications, such as sunburn, sores, recent microdermabrasion, or surgery. Again, check the chapter on facials for a complete list of contraindications. Have your client sign a consent form before every service. Give your client a robe or wrap, slippers, and sealable plastic bag to store any jewelry. Explain which clothing may need to be removed and show them how to put on the spa wrap. You may also instruct them how to get onto the table and where to place their head for the service. Depending on the service to be performed, tell the client to either face down or face up on the table, then allow them to undress privately. Always knock before re-entering the room. You are now ready to perform the requested treatment. Place a bolster under their knees to relieve pressure on the lower back if they are facing up. If your client is facing down, always place a rolled towel or small bolster under their ankles. Bring the second sheet up and across the décolleté and place the second hand towel across the chest on top of the covers. Now that the client is comfortable, we need to protect the client's hair with proper draping. During setup, you place the towel on the headrest. Fold the towel into a triangle from one of the top corners to the opposite lower corner and place it over the headrest with the fold facing down. The client places their head on the folded towel, and the esthetician now brings the ends of the towel up to the center of the client's forehead to cover the hairline. Use a disposable headband to hold the towel in place and a spatula to tuck in the hair. Make sure the client's earlobes aren't bent and the towel isn't too tightly wrapped. As always before a service, wash your hands with warm water and soap and put on gloves. Now you can check your client's skin before cleansing using the magnifying lamp or the naked eye. You want to see the skin's natural state before cleansing and then again after cleansing. If not a pump bottle, always use a spatula to remove products from their containers. Clean and disinfect containers after each service. Begin cleansing the skin.